When I decided to go natural 3 years ago, I thought I was choosing freedom. Freedom from chemicals, freedom to be me. But no one warned me that freedom could feel like rejection. Hi everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. My name is Clara Onyi'shair. I'm from Enugu State, Nigeria, based in Lagos State. So 3 years ago, I decided to go natural. Yes, for the very first time. I have not kept a natural hair before. So 3 years ago, I decided to go natural, but I was not informed that natural hair could feel like rejection. When I started my natural hair journey, I know nothing about natural hair, so everything was new to me. Yeah, I just saw someone with natural hair and I fall in love with natural hair and decided to go natural. Yeah, the person was my midwife where I had my first baby. So initially, when I started my hair journey, it was very easy for me because it was low cut, so there was not much work on it. But I started experiencing a rejection when my hair started growing out. Yeah, my hair was like about 5 months to 6 months. Then I would go to salon and most of them would reject my hair, saying that my hair is too hard to manage. So because of that, I had to join different natural hair communities. That was when I found out about leave-in conditioner, because even when I was carrying relaxed hair, I don't know anything about hair treatment or anything about treatment, anything about. Only thing I used on my hair then was relaxer and so fine hair cream. So natural hair was totally a new thing to me. So my hair being rejected gets gets worse when my hair was a year plus, because it gets more thicker and fuller. So once they see the hair, it is a no to them. Only thing you'll be hearing is that, madam, you should try to relax the hair to make it more manageable. Use a virgin. If you don't want to relax it, use a virgin hair relaxer. But being that I was following different hair community on Facebook, I have read that there is nothing like natural hair relaxer, that once you put a texturizer on your hair, your natural coil will never remain the same. So I refuse to listen to them, and the rejection continues. It got to an extent I couldn't go to any salon again. That was when I decided to learn how to make my own hair. So I go to YouTube searching for how to make your own hair by yourself. I have tons of videos on that, and I started practicing. I don't know if it is me or anyone have ever experienced this kind of rejection before. I don't know if it is a crime to have thick hair or having a natural hair here in Nigeria. I mean, this is the same hair that we were born with. We were not created with straight hair. So why do we find it very difficult to accept our own hair texture? Why are we trying to copy others that is not trying to copy us? You know, I still find it very difficult to believe that in this century, people are still in that belief that natural hair is nappy, natural hair is this, natural hair is that. Girl, embrace your coils. There is nothing like afro hair texture. Our hair is unique. This is your crown. Embrace it. If you are someone that is facing rejection now, don't give up. I have been there and I understand perfectly well how it feels. Our people used to talk say person wey wear shoe no wear the shoe dey pain am. But you see this shoe, I have wear it before and I understand perfectly well how the pain is. So my advice to you is learn how to make your own hair. Yes, learning how to make my own hair has helped me a lot. At least no one would tell me no now. I cannot handle your hair, I cannot do this to your hair. So I do my hair now whenever it pleases me, though it's not easy. It is not easy, but I don't mind using 3 days to make it, instead of me to go to salon and get rejected. So learn how to make your own hair, even if it is mini twist, because I can say that that is the easiest to do. I know how is mini twist, braid, that is the easiest. Cornrow can be very difficult. Have you experienced rejection before? I mean, on your hair, being rejected by hairstylists for one reason or the other. If you have had such experience in the past, share with us in the comment section. I would like to know your own experience, or if I'm the only one that have suffered such before in my hair journey. Share your experience. Maybe your own experience can encourage others to embrace their cause and not to give up on their journey. So sharing your experience with others can actually to encourage them not to give up on their own hair journey. So share your own experience in the comment section for us to even learn one or two things from you. And to my natural hair queens out there, please don't give up on your natural hair. Please. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys in my next video.
Rise up, let it flow, let the waves be free. Kinks, coils, locks or curls, this is royalty. No more hiding, no more shame. This is power, this is me. Afro magic, Afro love, it's the way it's meant to be.